Here's your chance to live in a beautiful, totally updated, historic home. From the moment you arrive, this home is beaming with charm, and the large wraparound porch envelops you as you're welcomed inside. The large open floor plan provides so much space, making it easy to host get-togethers with your favorite people. You'll fall in love with the hardwood floors and the span of the main level, as well as the historical stained glass windows that preserve the home's historical charm. The open kitchen features quartz countertops, top-of-the-line cabinetry, a stainless steel range and appliances, and tile backsplash, giving the home a tasteful, modern touch. Offering 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths, this home is not short on space. Both bathrooms have been updated with the massive master bath including 2 vanities, a clawfoot tub, and a walk-in shower. Enjoy spending time outside in the yard, surrounded by mature trees, or sit and relax on the porch to unwind. This stunning historical home will be gone before you know it, so come and see it today by giving Bob Cayley a call right away.